Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add a password to your account on Notion really quickly, for example, to give it an extra layer of safety and security. So drop a like and now let's get started. Now, this is actually very simple, guys. What you want to do is head over to Notion, of course, log into your account, for example, through the Notion web application. And once you're inside your account, simply click on your username in the very top left corner or on that arrow down icon here next to it and select settings with that gear icon here to access your account's settings. So this is going to redirect you to this window here. So what you want to do here, guys, is again click on your username in the top left corner here, and here you will see your profile or account security settings, including your associated email address, the password, two-step verification, and so on and so forth, guys. So I used to log into my account here on Notion using my Google account, so I actually don't need any password because I log in automatically simply with my Google account. But you may add a password to your account anytime. I could do that too, but I'm not planning to do this. But you may do that anytime, guys, by simply clicking on add password here next to password. Set a permanent password to log into your account, so you may do that. Let me do that really quickly just for the sake of this tutorial. This is going to open up that small window here. So you may use a password, set a safe password of up to 15 letters or characters, or with a minimum of 8 characters with both letters and numbers. So you simply enter your new password here, confirm it below, confirm by clicking on set password here, and that's going to be it, guys. Super simple, as you can see. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.